Greetings to all the learners. Welcome to my channel English Classes with Rashmi Rajput. The lesson which we are going to discuss today is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Saroyan from the book Snapshots Class 11. This story is set in San Joaquin Valley in California, and the storyline revolves around the theme Importance of Values and Ethics in One's Life. It has two main characters and two supporting characters. Aram is a 9-year-old boy and he is the narrator of this story. Murad is Aram's 13-year-old cousin. Uncle Khosrow is Aram and Murad's crazy uncle. He uses a catchphrase in almost all the situations, that is, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Next is John Byro, who is an Assyrian farmer and a friend of Geroglanian family. The story is about two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad, who belong to the Geroglanian family. Their tribe is known for their honesty despite of being poor since the 11th century. One early morning, when Aram was asleep and was enjoying pleasant dreams, his cousin Murad showed up to his window with a beautiful white horse. Murad called Aram to join him for a horse ride. Aram could not believe it, as they were poverty-stricken. He could not believe that the horse was their own. Then Murad said, "It's a horse. You are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride." Aram, on the other hand, was trying to figure out if the horse had been stolen by his cousin. But he remembered that it was always his dream to enjoy a ride of beautiful white horse. At the same time, he also remembered that they have been poor since 11th century and can hardly earn money for food. Aram asked, "Murad, where did you steal this horse?" Murad shouted, "Leap out of the window if you want to ride, before everyone in the world wakes up." Aram wore his clothes and jumped out of the window and sat behind Murad on his horse. They rode on the countryside of the area where they lived, Walnut Avenue. They enjoyed the horse ride in vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, and countryside. Meanwhile, Aram remembered that everyone in the family believed that Murad is crazy. Before Murad was his uncle Khosrow, an enormous man with black hair and large moustache. He also used a catchphrase in almost all the situations. "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." That's what he used to say. After some time, Murad asked him to get off, and he rode the horse all alone. Then it was Aram's turn to ride the horse alone. The horse took Aram to the vineyard and threw him off and ran away. Murad came to Aram shouting, "I am not worrying about you. We have got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way." After searching for 30 minutes, Murad managed to find the horse. They both hid the horse near a deserted vineyard that had some oats and alfalfa. They enjoyed horse ride for 2 weeks. One day, John Byro came to Aram's house to talk to his uncle Khosrow. Byro told him about his missing horse, whom he bought at $60. Khosrow told him, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Byro became irritated by his attitude and went away. Aram went to Murad and told him about the missing horse of Byro and asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Murad told him that it would take 1 year for him to learn to ride it. He also added that he would return it after 6 months because their tribe is known for honesty and they could not be thieves. One day, on their way back from horse riding, they met John Byro, who was going back to the town. He talked to them and carefully examined the horse. He said, "I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. The fame of your family for honesty is well known for me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. And the next morning, both of them took the horse back to Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The same afternoon, John Byro came back to his house to tell about his horse who had come back. He said, "I am so happy I have got my horse back." To this, Uncle Khosrow replied, "Pay no attention to it." And the story ends here. The writer has a strong message to convey through this story. And the message is, despite social and economic challenges, there are some truths which are absolute and should be practiced under all conditions. Honesty means to be truthful in all the aspects of life. It involves to not to tell lie to anybody, never hurt anyone through bad habits, activities or behavior. Being honest and truthful helps a person to get trust of all in the surrounding. And that's all about this story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy